Hello friends, welcome to Nagar's Kitchen. Do you like Indian sweets and you want to prepare that right in your kitchen?
This is my secret recipe. Now this will be your secret recipe too. It's combination of 3 different sweets: Kalakand, milk burfi and coconut burfi.
You don't need many ingredients for this recipe. It's made out of milk, coconut and few other things. You can choose your choices of dry fruits. I'm using almonds and cashews. Let's do it. I had kept this in fridge for 6 hours. What happens is it becomes thick and with time it becomes harder and it's easy to cut. Wow, it looks yummy. Let's cut it in pieces. Okay, this is very delicate, so we need to take out. This is very soft and light because it's milk product, so you may take it out, and in case it's not uniform from base, you can make it uniform and then you can make a perfect slice. Okay, you can stick back the dry fruits to it. Yeah, see how delicious it looks. And depends, you can have small pieces or you can have big pieces. We have our kalakand ready. Let's taste it and check it. I will take a small piece. It has taste of coconut, milk burfi, dry fruits, ghee,
some sugar. Very yummy. Try it out. See you next time. Follow for great Indian recipes. Bye.